Consider this. What if you could make money online just by listening to music? I'm sure each one of you has a computer or a phone. Almost all of us listen to music every day, and we can be compensated and generate money just by doing that. You no longer need following, experience, or subscriptions to begin earning money. Some people are earning $5 to $15 just by listening to music. However, some individuals are able to earn more than $900. I'll teach you my own tactics and plans for making more money, much like this one. I'll show you 4 fresh new websites and a clever method that allows you to sign up for free and use your account from anywhere in the globe. As a result, individuals might begin earning money just by listening to music. Make sure you don't miss out on any of this and utilize your phone or computer to earn $500 to $750. You may quickly repeat this by listening to music again and over. I'll teach you which songs from which genres you should listen to so that you may make twice as much money and earn it in half the time as other people. So stay tuned and watch till the end because I'll show you a total of 4 websites. Before we begin, welcome to the Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making money online. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns about it, be sure to leave some comments below. Now, this is Earn Radio, and you can see how you may earn money by just listening to the radio. This approach is now 100% free, and it's accessible all across the globe. Starting today, anybody from any nation may do it. Let me now demonstrate how this works in general. This is incredibly easy and quick, and you don't need any followers to listen to music, but you must first sign up for a free account. I'll demonstrate in a bit. Then, after you've signed up, you'll be able to access your account. And then, you may locate a lot of music, a lot of tunes to listen to while earning money online. Keep watching because I'll show you a few actions that will help you increase your revenue. The basic idea here is that every 15 minutes you listen to music, you receive points. After you've accumulated enough points, you may exchange them for cash or US dollars. Then you can get your money by bank transfer, PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Payoneer, or Skrill. This website now accepts a wide range of payment options. Let's get this over with quickly. Let me show you that this membership is completely free, with no premium packages or anything. As you can see, you may now use this service from anywhere in the globe. They support every single nation on the planet. Now, before I teach you how to sign up for a free global account, please understand that this is the #1 bonus tip that I'm going to offer you. So please pay attention and don't miss out on this. The first step is to identify the top hits. For example, Top Hits 2021, or Top Songs, or Popular Songs, and you'll get a list of music that's preferably more than 2 hours. Now, the reason you should seek out lengthier videos and music is so that we can make more money and have it play in the background while we are doing other things. For example, you may be surfing the internet, utilizing Facebook, or watching a YouTube video. The first tip is to let the music play in the background so you may make money without actually doing anything. The second recommendation I have for you is to go ahead and create a playlist. You may play music, such as the first song, and you'll see that there are a number of playlists that have already been queued up. As you can see here, from number 1 to all the way down, the entire list of songs that are going to play automatically. Now, after the video ends, they'll go on to the next song, and then the next song, again and so on. The song is played automatically, without you actively influencing it. Now, make sure you find a video that is at least 2 hours long, or find videos that have playlists that contain more than 100 videos that you can listen to. And now if you stick with me until the end of the video, I will show you a bonus strategy that you can make more money, even up to $2,000. Now, here's another extra tip. Go into the settings and increase the playback speed so that you can listen to the music at twice the pace. What this implies is that you can generate more money. Here are some strategies to help you earn more money in a much shorter period of time. When you visit the website, you can click on the sign up link right on the top. Click on the link. You can then go to the page in which you will type in your username, first name, last name, email address, and password. and simply click on Register. I'll now show you the second web page, Cash for Minutes. As you can see, you can earn money by listening to online radio broadcasts. All you have to do is follow a few basic steps, which I will demonstrate in a moment. You may sign up by creating a unique user profile and entering your phone number. They will then make a quick test call to you when you provide your phone number. Once you've been accepted, you can start earning money by just listening to radio programs on your phone. As you can see, they offer a worldwide access where anybody from any nation may join up on their website and start generating money. Oh, and if you're enjoying the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. And don't forget to click the bell to get up-to-date notifications. On the third web page, Hit Predictor, again, this website is completely free. You do not need any followers to start earning money on this platform. As you can see, Hit Predictor gives you the ability to actively influence new music before it's released. This is why they pay you to listen to music. It's because they want to forecast which songs will be more popular. Which music do you enjoy? This is where they will provide you with the variety of songs to listen to on a regular basis. One thing to keep in mind is that you should sign up and make sure you're eligible. They will accept you, and after you're authorized, they'll give you additional music to listen to and evaluate, as well as money on a daily basis. What I really appreciate about this website is that it has a daily contest and a price shop where you can earn money by participating in the daily competitions. Now that you've been approved, you may start listening to music right now. And then you may locate a lot of music you can listen to today, such as from Ed Sheeran, Post Malone, and Drake. I strongly suggest you to concentrate on videos that are at least of 2 hours so that you can earn more money. And once again, you may locate additional music that has a playlist that they can automatically play one after another, and you can speed up by 2 times by altering the play speed. If you wish to create a free account, just click the blue button. You will go to the page in which you will enter your screen name, which is your user ID, as well as your email address and password, as well as your ethnicity and country. As you can see, they accept all nations in the globe, regardless of where you live. You can get started now for free without any followers by clicking on I'm Not a Robot and then signing up. It is quite easy. I'm going to show you the next and the last website, Music Xray. You are now able to generate money online by simply listening to new songs in your music on this website. Just make sure you provide the correct email address. The rest of the process is pretty straightforward. You're going to watch the video, which is just a brief introduction about the website, and once you finish the video, you can sign up, which I'll show you in a moment. And then we can make sure you check your email inbox because this website is a little different than the previous websites, as previously you could just log into your website account and search for songs to listen to. But for this website, Music Xray, you're not allowed to do so. You will check your email inbox, so make sure you provide the correct email address. I will show you in a bit. After that, you'll get paid to listen to music and support your favorite artists. So, if you want to sign up for a free account, make sure you click the link at the top of your screen and sign up for free. Then you will be sent to a website where you can sign up using SoundCloud account, a Facebook account, a Google account, a Yahoo account, or anything else. And you can proceed to the field of information, fill it out, make sure you input the correct email address, and click on Create Account. This is the most crucial aspect. Mix all of the websites such as Music Xray and combine them with Hit Prediction as well as Cash for Minutes and Earn Radio. When all 4 of these sites are combined, you may create several streams of revenue and obtain more and more videos and music that people can listen to and make money online. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let me know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. I hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take actions, make that money, and take care.